to change the game, and I'm on my way to fame. Cause I'm here, I'm ready, about to do my thing. Haters stay from out my lane, I promise I am insane. Cause I'm here now. Live life with no fears, blood, sweat, and more tears. That's what sacrifice. Cause I'm here now.
What's good, FunWithShawn family? We're back, y'all. As you can see, we are in our favorite place, the airport. It's that time again. It is that time. We're on our way to Atlanta. If you're going to Atlanta, you already know what time it is. Come once a year. It's the annual Rick Ross Car and Bike Show. It's the 4th annual Rick Ross Car and Bike Show this year. It's going to be epic. I'm already seeing a bunch of cars, a bunch of people that are going to be out there. It's going to be a great place for us to network and whatnot. But man, it's early. Nothing's open at this airport. But you know, I got to catch that early flight. But yeah, man, it's been a while, but we definitely got some more lit content coming to y'all this summer. This is just the start of it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you comment down below, like, subscribe, share this. We're on our road to 5,000 subscribers, and let's get it. So I'm gonna get on the plane and do what I do best, go to sleep, and then I'm gonna hit y'all when we get there. Alright, y'all, we're back. Made it on the plane. They got me way back here at the end. Like I said, I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. So excited, I gotta get well rested for this. But yeah, catch y'all in Atlanta. What is up, guys? We have officially made it to Atlanta. We are on the way to catch the shuttle to the airport, or I'm sorry, to the hotel. So yeah, making that long walk to this airport, to the shuttle. We can't check in till 4, which I wasn't really paying attention to that. So it's, I think, 10 a.m. here. So I don't know what I'm gonna get into until 4. Hopefully we can check in early, but I'm gonna head to the hotel, see if I can put my bags behind the front desk or something, and find something to do. Definitely need something to eat. But yeah, right now we're just looking for the hotel shuttles, airport parking shuttle. I'm going. Ground truck. I don't know, y'all. We're gonna find it and we'll get back. Alright, guys, that was quick. Walked out the airport. The shuttle loading dock was right there. As soon as I walked up, my specific hotel shuttle was pulling up, so it was super quick. And what was cool is I've already checked in. Check-in wasn't until 4, but they have rooms available, so definitely already checked in. Super close to the airport. I don't know if y'all can see that plane. I can't see it. Oh, there it is. Nothing but trees. The view isn't the greatest, but who cares? We're not gonna be here too much. We're at the Marriott Atlanta Airport. So I wanted to get something close to the airport so I could just shuttle. Cause like y'all know, we're here for the Rick Ross Car Show. So today's kind of a chill day. Going to my favorite restaurant though this evening. Gonna check out the pool, gonna check out the rest of the hotel. But right now, I'm gonna do a room tour. So yeah, I'm gonna go in here and check out the room. Eighth level. Yo, okay. Okay. So as soon as you walk into your right, they have kind of an open closet. with some little storage. You can put your luggage right there, some drawers for your amenities. Hang your clothes right here as well. And then you have definitely your ironing board and blow dryer for those who have hair that need it, and your iron. And then some more storage up here for shoes or whatnot. And you come into the left, you got a spacious bathroom, toilet, stand-up shower with a glass door. This is genius. I don't know why they didn't make this up a long time ago. Why not have your controls back here away from the water, so that way you're not getting wet trying to get everything figured out. I love this. So you can control it back here before you get in. They got This Works products. You got your shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and things like that. But yes, y'all, I love this. I love this. So smart having it back here away from that. But you definitely got your sink. With This Works body lotion and some more soap. You come out, it's got a barn door. Yep. You come out, you got your coffee for anybody that likes coffee in the morning, coffee in the evening, coffee at night. Doesn't matter. This room is a conjoining, not a big deal. You have your desk with the flat screen, cooler for your drinks, food, whatever, a little bench for your luggage, a little couch with a desk. The view is not the greatest again, but we're not gonna be here that much. It is pretty with the trees and everything. This is a king size bed room, so just one bed. You got your clock with the alarm clock, your plugins, USB and regular plug-in telephone, so you can get valet service, room service, things like that, wake-up calls. Also, here's some more charging ports, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this room's pretty dope. That's all I need. But let's go check out the rest of the hotel, see what it has to offer, and I'll catch y'all. All right, y'all. So like I said, we're at the Marriott Airport Atlanta Hotel. So far, so nice. I'm gonna walk around and see what this hotel has to offer. Like I said, it's super close to the airport and everything. There's a lot of people trying to get in, check in. When we pull up, we got a nice valet section and whatnot, like a typical hotel. Got your valet service. The shuttle bus will get you right here as well. Automatic doors. Yo, they got like a bee sanctuary. They must collect honey. I noticed this one walked in. Yeah, y'all can see that. Oh no, sir. So they must have somebody that comes out here and cleans this and collects honey. That's kind of dope. So when you walk in, it's a little sitting area, and then it looks like they have a bar, restaurant area where you can hang out. They do have plugins in case you need to do some work or anything. Some booths with the table. So yeah, this is a restaurant. I don't believe it's open right now, but they do have a Starbucks as well, along with most places. They always have Starbucks. Kind of a little map of what you're doing, flight information. You can come in here and use the computer to print your boarding passes, check your flights and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. This looks like they got Bentley's, Steakhouse. Okay, little fine dining steakhouse. Probably opens in the later evening. It's definitely not open now. Dessert menu. Ooh, they got. I can say they got cheesecake tower for 2, peanut butter pie, bourbon pecan pie, key lime pie, and tuxedo cake. I'm not a huge cheesecake lover, but that does sound good. So they got Bentley Steakhouse, and then it looks like it's got B+ bourbon bar. Might be a nice little cocktail bar. You can get some drinks. Another entrance, and this I believe is just ballrooms, convention rooms down this way, and restrooms. So yeah, you got a bar, you got a steakhouse, and then you got a regular restaurant over here. So there's a little bit something for everybody. So walk into the lobby. I think I see the pool, and it's actually warm out here. It's very humid, which is good. I did bring my swim trunks, so hopefully we can take a dip in the pool while we're here. Let's see, here goes the fitness center. And yes, here is the pool area. Let me see, I probably need a key to get in. Okay. They have an indoor and outdoor pool, which is pretty cool. This is kind of neat. They make it very handicap accessible. So if you're in a wheelchair and need to get down these steps, they got that for you. It's nice and quiet in here. Like I said, they got an indoor pool and an outdoor pool with the gym overlooking everything. It's one of those where you swim under and get outside. Oh, gotta hit the exit button now. There we go. Oh yeah, super nice. Super nice pool, super nice area. Also have a little hangout spot with the hot fireplace you and your family can enjoy. So it's just a lot of seating, a lot of areas to hang out here. And yeah. I believe this is just parking. Oh, they actually have a tennis court. So I was wondering if this was a court of some sort. Had they had pickleball, y'all know I would have brought my my paddles, but this is a tennis court, which is cool for anybody that plays tennis. But yeah, that's pretty much it in this hotel. So we're gonna get settled, get something to eat, and relax a little bit, and then tonight I'm gonna take y'all to the real taco. We went last year, didn't really vlog it like I wanted to. So this year we're really gonna have fun with it and enjoy it. And so, yeah, so I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. What's good, y'all? We're back. Hey, we just got here. We just got to the real taco of Atlanta. We ate here last year. We got here late, but we're here. We're gonna go in here, we're gonna get it in real quick, and let's go. back. I didn't get the footage I wanted to get. It's super loud in there, but it is a vibe. So if you're in Atlanta, make sure you check out the Real Taco. The food is amazing. It's incredible. But it is loud. I didn't want to get copyrighted, so yeah. But definitely check it out here on the north side, Midtown, Real Taco. Yeah, we are about to head back to the hotel and get ready for Rick Ross.